So hello everyone. So today is 110 day of 360 live challenge where I come live each day and share my journey, what I'm doing, and basically like I'm on a journey of improving myself from day 1 of January to in of the day of December. So before starting this live, let me summarize my day. So today, day as it was the Saturday, so I had kind of a rest also and also I did my course. Okay, so I was doing one course on the Coursera, like Python for everybody course, and yeah, like I completed all the modules, like 5 modules, and there were some of the assignment I needed to complete, and I also completed those, and also I had one class of my BCA and I also attended that. And after that I had a quick chat with my friends, so I went for a walk. And yeah, like the day was pretty good, but still it so can be like a more hello bro, hello, and where are you from bro, like how you doing? And yeah, like that was the day today. And for this live I will be continuing my study work, and also I'm doing kind of a small research of my own, so I will be doing that. And after that I will be sharing my screen, but for some time I will just continue what I was doing. So yeah, like, and if you guys have any queries, then yeah, I'm here to just answer those. And yes, bro, Raul Bralo. So I will be doing that thing. Okay. So let me open up Max here. I'm good. How are you? I'm doing good, great, bro. Uh, what's going on? Everything is going great, bro. Like learning stuff and doing those things. Mm, so yeah, like I was doing one course on the Coursera, okay, and of the Python, and I just completed that course also. And there is one assignment which is kind of a peer group assignment, and on that I need to be like graded by the other member, like other student of who are also like enrolled. And after that, I think I will get the certificate. Mm, no, what's going on, Raul bro? What are you doing? I'm getting fucking tired to understand Git and GitHub. Just understand how to push to the uh, code to the GitHub, right? And the other things you will just understand while working on a team, like when you like actually work with a team, right? And you have to take care, like you have to do the merge of your teammate, and you need to like have a separate branch for all new features. Like when you like actually work in a kind of companies, then that is the mandatory to do, right? So for now, like you can also like play with the branches and try to play with the branches, and like creating new brands for new updates or new features, and just understand the basic things like how to like clone, how to like pull, how to like push to the GitHub. Like that will be pretty. You just just understand that, and after some time, yeah, you can see the how I can contribute to open source. But my thought process is, if you want to contribute to the open source, bro, like if you are a beginner, yeah, like don't do it like people say, if you are a beginner, go and contribute to the open source, go and play with the open source, right? And you will understand so much. But my perception is like kind of not that way, okay? Like if you don't know like how to like how that GitHub repo works, right? Like what are the tech stack has been used there, and if you don't understand, and if you can't contribute in a nice way, then just go and fucking learn those technologies, right? And build your own projects, then only come. Like my thought is kind of that. Just use Git, VS Code, Git. Yeah, bro. But I have like never used, okay, like I have never used VS Code, Git. Like what I felt was, okay, like the UI can be changed. If you like have a like strong command on the terminal, then you can like directly work in the server also. And like my concept is like that, okay. And the another concept is for anything, like yeah, like if you are like too much dependent on the UI part and to do like IT stuff in the UI, then you are dependent on that. And if the technology is kind of shifted, then you will have kind of a hard time, right? But if you have a strong command on the terminal, then yeah, like there will be always a terminal in any like AWS, Azure, in each and everything. Yo man, what's up? Long time no see. Yeah, yes, bro. What's up, bro? Yeah, like it has been a long time, bro. And yeah, like recently I used to come live after some time, okay, like after 1 a.m., 2 a.m. because I was doing some of the work and I don't want to just come live while I was doing some of my important tasks, right? And just after completing those tasks, I came to the live. I just completed my first sim of BCA and I have not started and to meet anyone. Anything you want to advise? Like just start like I mean just start and try bunch of things like for 1 week. Say like I'm going to learn all the mobile development or all the web development in 1 week, like think that way and just go on a rush way, okay. And on that 1 week you will not understand and you will not know the full web development, but you will know what things you need to know and how much there are like stuff like just from the outer, like we can see just React, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but on the behind, like for the React also there is the state management all fetching, right? So try to learn, go in 1 week, and another week go on different way like app development, and just see like what you want to do, like what feels more connected kind of way. Like I think that is the good reason, like good advice for from my perspective. If we haven't started, because some YouTubers can come and say, okay, just start web development. Cause some can say like app development, yeah, and just going on that for a long term, like 4 5 months. I think after 4 5 months, you can feel like I don't want that, right? So, but if you just give 1 week or 5 6 days to just try one, and you can switch those things also and understand what you really like. So Biraz bro, are you free nowadays or in coming days? One I'm not free, bro. uh like can you one like see my dark circles, bro? Like I just turn the light off, okay, so this is my not like brightest light. While I turn on the brightest light, right, my eyes were like full dark, bro. Like I have so much dark circle. Just start, don't delay learning. If you learn like not learning, just learn 10 15. Yes, more like just saying to brain like just for 5 minutes can really lead to the 5 hour also, and I really believe on that. You watch UFC 3000. Uh, you said you want to watch combat. Nah, bro. Like I haven't watched anything, bro. Not anything. But yeah, like I saw one post in somewhere like there is upcoming matches, right? And like 4, 5, 6 matches on this month, and there is the yeah, like I saw that match kind of poster, but nah, bro. Uh, thanks, Justin. Okay. Panda, panda. Still you will be free in upcoming days. I don't know, bro. And okay, I will be doing the things. How is your job going on? What are the new challenges you faced in last few weeks? Tell me, Raz. So, like, have I said you or not? Okay, bro. I think I haven't because you were not in live, yeah, for some days. So, I did one app on the Java, and for at the one day, like, it was kind of a small app on the Java. So, like, the basic auth implementation and kind of Firebase map APIs and SQLite for the local database. I did that app on one night, like full night. I just stayed and worked through that app. And after that, I got a bigger project on the app. Like that was kind of like I had to make a backend of my own also in the Express. So I used Express, MySQL, and the Java for the app development, right? So I'm like building that also, and right now, like so I have kind of I have submitted the phase one app, so they will be giving app in Java in Android UI like XML ETS bro on the XML and like the I wanted to do on the Kotlin, but like kind of the requirement of the client was kind of on the Java, so I did on the Java and just doing that and yeah, and on the web part, right? Uh, like I'm like trying to understand and learn and do Figma more right way. Okay, like I have like some experience in Figma, right? But not like so much like making my own master component and not working on a component. Like I have created like a kind of UI UX of the web also, but those were just kind of a UI UX, not on a component level, right? So like learning that and doing that also, and like doing so of the next project is on the socket.io like I have said you right. Laptop understood answer. Yeah, bro, like this laptop is kind of like right now I have like two laptop like one is so on this laptop I used to do the live stream, yeah. So on this laptop like it is given by the office, okay. So on this laptop, yeah, like and the studio it works and like the emulator also kind of works. New laptop, right, bro, like not mine, like so like I used to have like the office laptop also, but I didn't used to bring home. But as now like I'm doing Android, like learning Android and doing the app also at the home, right? So I need to bring this laptop at home to learn and build apps. And yeah, and that and So yeah, like not right now, but after 2 3 week after the phase two, I will complete on Java. Right, I have one project on Flutter Flow and a backend at Firebase, and I need to do that. And yeah, like that are the new things in my life, I guess. And yeah, pretty much that. And you are really now doing Android also asking for you. Yeah, like I have asked, like I have talked to them about that. Like it was not kind of a smooth talk, okay, because now they are not at the office also, like they are kind of a function of the marriage, okay. So all the top bosses, like now real boss were not in the office, but I will talk again. But yeah, I said like regarding my how much I like from the past year I'm like working here, right? So like on that talk, like my boss said, like I'm considering you to make you like a project manager on a new team where I am like making a small like a different team where we will work like okay. So I told you, right? So in our company we do our own startup like in-house project, and another is the project that we get from the like Australia. Yeah, and he's kind of making a different team, so this team will handle the kind of like client based project on different like the Java like full stack kind of way. And he's like saying me think about like will you become like a project manager. And I like I don't know like should I say yes or no, and I haven't said anything. You must fire me off to Lord Spring. Yeah, bro. I'm also so not Spring right now, but yeah, like uh, not right now. But I want to learn like do back in on the Spring also. What not right now because if I just try like Spring, then my mind will just go on a I don't know what happens to me because. Uh, I'm doing Python like machine learning also, right? So I told you like I got one scholarship on the Curiosity, and I'm doing like a machine learning course. So I need to like do more Python now, okay? And I just completed one course on the Coursera also like Python for everybody. Like I got this like I got the financial aid on that program, and I just completed that course also for the machine learning, right? That's also it as oh yeah, bro. It is going smooth kind of way like not able to like fully give time, but like doing each day one problem and uh, just giving time like a 15 minute to think about how can I solve this problem. And also lately I learned about the trees, yeah, right. So tree note like what are they, and DFS, PFS, those concepts. And yeah, you are not full stack, you are multi-stack dev project management funny nice man I'm spent. Yeah, like project management means so before like front end I did kind of SEO expert role, right? So on that I was like I was team lead on that, like there were kind of 10 people on the SEO team. And yeah, like I'm not kind of that good also, but I think I can manage somehow, okay. Like or like although like I'm small on the age from other team members, I don't know like how I'm like able to influence them to do the work, okay. So I think that is the reason why like boss asked for me that to be the project manager. Can you recommend few things I need to start with along with the resources? Try to build a project, okay. Like if you are learning anything and just you are trying to complete one 5 hour course or 6 hour course, and if you think like after this 5 or 6 hour course or 10 hour course I will learn this new stack or I will know this stuff, then you might learn that for like some days, some weeks, but after that there is no more data of that learning on your brain. Okay, so just think about one project, how can I make, and that have that on the mind, and try to build one project from that technology. And on the building on the building of the project, right, you will need to add more kind of framework, or you need to go like the extra mile. Okay, and that way like it will really help you for the long term also, because there will be a project you can show on the CV, on the GitHub. And also like building own project gives you like a satisfaction, and you will not forget like so easily. That is the reason, that is the thing I want to say. Our solution नहेरी गर्न सकियो solution नहेरी yeah like first nah bro, because nowadays okay, so I do like daily strictly. So there one comes right like a daily question. So like I go on that daily question and I try to do the daily question from there. And nowadays the daily question are of the medium level. Okay, like so medium level, and yeah like I understand like how think this will work. But nah, bro, like I think I still need to give some time on like a very good level of time, okay? Because those are like kind of medium level and sometime hard level also. And lead code, yes, bro. I will also. Hello, bro. How you doing? I will come live to remind you about Spring Boot every day on your mind distraction. So yeah, like so one of my brother, like one of my co-worker in the office also like building his own startup, right? And he's kind of a flutter developer, and he's going to use kind of a Spring on the back end for his app. Okay, and he kind of also loves Java like so much. Okay, and he's also like suggesting me to like go and learn Spring, so we can work on this project. But I think after a month only like I will think about this Spring, bro, because right now I have to like focus on my study also of my physics. I think I'm like having my exam also, and there are so many assignment. Okay, let me create one section. Java Tech is innocent. Right, bro. And yeah, like I'm also thinking for the USA, right? So like today, at the evening, I met with my friends also, and uh, like I'm just I just want to try one time for the USA. I think I should or not. I'm just confused because if I really want to try, then I have to give some time to research about the uni, and also I need to like focus on the like all those aspects, right? And I think I will be able to do it or not. I'm just worried, but I think I should try one time. Yes, bro. Like I like okay. So if I have to like say the main reason why I didn't like started after my high school, like I always wanted to try it, but as I'm the single child of my family, okay, so the family kind of did not wanted me to apply because I'm your single child, okay. So that was the reason like I was not trying, but I have like already did my ALS also, and I think I'll just try and without telling to family, and if I got the visa right, then yeah, I can tell them. Yeah, but so like I have like never left. Like I have like even uh, didn't went any day without my family. Okay, so I've like always been in the home, and they are just kind of I don't know. I will be back in 2 years to my country. Okay, that's great, bro. So yeah, like I will try for one time for this fall, like 2024 fall, and like before coming to live also, right? So this is my plus two GPA. Like I was just checking my GPAs and all those things, and my certificates also. So let's make this. Okay, as in 7 year of me in US and total 10 year of me of home. Bro, 7 years, that's a long time, bro. Like on those 7 year, like you did it on came Nepal like one time also. Like how things works. Like I don't know. Like can't we come on like our kind of what to say like a kind of on the holidays like the winter break or summer break. I'm from India. I visit to Kolkata every year. Okay. Oh, okay, bro. Whereas like Java is multi-threading property, you can handle code and process additional timelines like Node.js. Yes, non-blocking properties, you can manage states of tasks. Nah, bro. Bro, like literally, I'm so much kind of stressed. Okay, bro. Like, and like doing so much stuff also. Like, I think does not help. Like, I think I like I like strongly believe like the hard work will get you somewhere. Yeah, but I think. Sometime not just hard work only works like so there are like multiple factors like environment luck factor also consistency. Yes, bro, like yeah, I learned that the consistency is the main thing, like showing up each and every day, right? Mm, but also bro like okay like this happens to me for some time like life not always goes on the up movement, right? So like I have some down phase off phase. Guys like nowadays yes, 90% of time he doesn't sleep. Bro, like where are you getting this punchline or like bro and like how was your like past week, like what you did on your web, and yeah like did you complete that the site you were making, right? Of I think the consultancy. And yeah, bro. So of our like that Hajir, the thing I was working on the front end, right? So that web as is kind of finished, and now we are like making the landing block section and all the service home page, right? Like like a product detail page, and I need like right now they are making the Figma of that, and I think after 1 week or 2 week I'm going to work on that, and I'm thinking to do like the tailwind and tailwind next year's, and for the block management, right? So I'm thinking to use Sanity or I think I will be using Sanity Air for the CMS. Uh, or like, do you have any recommendation, guys? Like, what can I use for the like, or so would I use WordPress on the back end, like just for the content management? Bro, thanks, bro. Like, bro, thank you so much. Like, you are just making me happy. Like, you are just giving me so many emotion, bro. Thanks a lot, bro. And yeah, like, you have just given me a lot of kind of like power, okay? And yeah, I will be working more at from nowadays, okay? From today on. Thanks, bro. Really. I just got the power up and I will just do more, okay? Sanity. Yeah, like so I think I use Sanity and like there was one hyper like hype graph, okay? Like SYGRAP as hype graph. Yeah. I think I used SYGR, yeah, hype graph. Oh, this was also the CMS, like headless CMS, right? So like I think I use this for to create one kind of a blog application. I think around 7 8 months before, but there is like Sanity and Strap, like Sanity, and there is another, right? Sanity and there is one also, okay, Sanity, and there is one popular CMS. Strappy, I guess. No, nah, Strappy or yes, yes, yeah, like the Strappy. Do you do freelance work? Like I have like never really explored like um Upwork or Fiverr, but yeah, like I get some of the off like project, okay, like kind of a freelance work, and yeah, like I'm open to freelancing work, but I have like never actually tried in those platform, but I got some project from my own network, so I have like done those projects. And then like my main thing was on the high school, right? I got kind of a internship, like so yeah, like that was kind of a thing like that really changed me, like how I utilized my high school time. Strappy is quick, okay. Yeah, bro, like Dustin, bro, like did you like never consider like going like abroad, like USA for studying bachelor? Me, uh, like I'm saying to like Dustin, bro, like he's also from Nepal, and he's also like studying like bachelor. I will go after my bachelor's. Okay. And Amit, bro, like how was your day? So I guess in US also, yeah, today was the whole day, right? So how you utilize your weekend in the USA? Like, do you go like out, or are you working on some open source project, or And yeah, like also one thing I wanted to ask, like, so for to get the job that you are working on right now, right? So like, there was kind of a lead code round, like DSA round or not, bro? Amit is in USA, nice man, dating while eating chicken. Okay. Yes, DSA is very important in USA. Okay, bro, thanks. Like, okay, so I'm like trying to learn DSA and do lead code, right? So like if I just maintain this habit of doing DSA and learning, yeah, so it will really help me, okay, for the USA also, yeah. So I'm going to do it more. And bro, like, have you tried like Code Force, Code Safe, like co- competitive programming? I love it. Is bro, and on which state are you like working on? Like, on which state you live, bro? Because like I'm trying like kind of 4 5 university, and I think okay, always listen to it. So let me compile it. Mm, oh, Texas. Okay. See, like, so there is like Texas A and M, right? So like I'm also trying to apply on the Texas A and M. Do you guys know Binod Bahadur Thapa? Yes, Tamil. Uh, Binod Bahadur Thapa. Like, are you saying the Binod? So there was kind of a one meme, right? Like Binod, who is Binod? Technical Thapa. Okay, like is he saying like technical Thapa? Yes, bro. Yeah. Like, in fact, I learned the JavaScript from his like video. Okay, like I tried to learn JavaScript, right? At the like I tried to learn JS like for 3 time. Okay, so because there was kind of break on those learning, and on the third time I was the like I went through the course of the technical Thapa. Yeah, okay, and I even maintain one GitHub repo of doing each exercise daily of his course. Oh, like his full name was Binod Bahadur Thapa. Okay, like I think I have just forgot his full name. Okay, okay, yeah, bro. Like technical Thapa. I have learned React from him more in structure. Okay, like okay, bro. Like okay, so yeah, have you like watched this video? Like there is one YouTuber. Okay, Hitesh. Okay, like I think his full name is Hitesh Choudhury. like, and he also have one YouTube channel now, like code with Harry. Okay, no, no, chai or code. Okay, so he has like another channel, chai or code. And bro, like the way he talks, like the way he teaches, right, is so kind of a best. What's your tech stack? Justin, bro, just guess. Okay, like just guess and say like, what do you think, bro? Just guess. Maybe Spring Boot React. Just in full stack Spring Boot. Yeah, like Node.js, Express, React, Angular did only AWS and GCP. Yes, your guess was right, bro. Okay, bro. So you also do like you have did Angular. Okay, like I didn't knew that, bro. Man, everyone is Titan. I'm only one who's doing one here. Now, bro, like you are kind of like mastering it and doing it nicely. Like why I learned is like I wanted to build one kind of a project startup, and so I needed to learn. Okay, so there was kind of urgency. So when there is kind of urgency, like you will learn so much fast. Okay, like uh, how long time you could. So so in the if I'm on the office, right, so from like straight 8 hour also, like with some break, okay, if I need to like complete the tasks of the day. And after coming home, like I do like code for 1 2 3 4 5 hour, and then I go for the gym. And then after I come home, and yeah, like I do like other work, and 1 2 hour kind of doing some of the stuff, and also coming live and talking with you guys related to IT programming. And on this time, like I just don't like code so much, but just enjoy the moment and learn new stuff. I was a B person, later started liking front end engineering too. Oh yeah, yes, but like I think like the people who are like from who are like who were learning back end at the first, right? Like they have kind of like more logical way. Okay, like I think that way because if like someone has like take on the like the Django roadmap, right? On the Django, he has already used the HTML, CSS, and the Django template, and he also has kind of a good understanding of the SQL from by just using SQLite also, right? But if we talk just about the front end, yeah, he will know the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript more. But if like the majority of the people will not know like how the APIs are, like even how they are working, right? Can I make thumbnails for your channel? Uh, yes, yes, bro. Like, yeah, but thumbnails, like, I haven't uploaded videos right now, like from past 1 2 month, I guess. But I think we can also upload the thumbnail for the YouTube, right? Like, I think. Uh, just love to learn new techs. Yeah, bro. CSS is more harder than back in. Yeah, yes. I do agree. Sometimes I still talk in CSS. Can I, I feel if someone comes from Java, he can handle all language or tech. Like, I think, yeah, like, I totally agree with you, bro. And the thing is, I think if some, like there is saying, right, so if you learn like C or Java at the first, then the other language will be kind of easy. Like, how I see is like, that person has like more kind of way to see the pattern, okay, in the language, like how the things are working, and just the matter is like the syntax is kind of different. And okay, so in the Java, so there is hash map, and on the Python there is the dictionary, right? So like only the terms and some of the things are kind of different, but the, so how the hash map works and how the dictionary works in the Python, right? So the things are kind of same, right? Those pattern are like the same. Like, I think the pattern is the most important thing. uh I feel if someone comes from, yes, I just follow pattern. Yeah, bro. Like, sometimes I also like don't know what I'm doing, right? Like I'm doing something because of my past experience, and trying to understand that pattern. But if like someone comes near me and say like what actually you are doing, right? Like, sometimes I'm just blank, okay, like I can't say. But from the deep inside, like I know, like I should do this way or try this way, like kind of. Actually, I do learn this like this. Yeah, yes, bro. Like, I also try to learn this way, but yeah. And the second thing I try to learn is, so if I learning new tech stack, then I just go and just see like what are its full scope, okay, or on a very wide, broad aspect, and from there I can like choose like what is really important from that, okay, like not like our like learning of JavaScript, like we are not using 100% of all those things which we learned while learning the JavaScript, right? So only the major 20 to 30% we use in every day. So on that way I just learn or understand the whole broad concept. But those things like which are mainly important and I need to do on a daily way, I like to focus on that. So I always see any tech stack on a broad way at the first, and only I deep dive. How long do you give time to learn new things? If I say that if you have time to learn Angular, so like, so okay. First of all, my approach will be my approach will be just going to the YouTube and just taking one full like the full application, okay, like the full project. And I will just try to do that full project from using like kind of tutorial or blog or kind of chat GPT, and I will try to complete that big project. And I will try to add some of the new features on that from the my old concept. And I will know like what the thing are like really being used on that project, and that way. And then like I will try to do that within some days, okay, like 1 2 day, or like within some days, okay. And then I will just start like learning from one like a documentation. And on that part I will know like what are the things that are like really important, right, and how the thing will really work with the kind of way. And like I will try to learn on that way, okay. So I've like always tried that way. I don't know like it's the good or bad, but and the one thing is, uh yeah, like that is also the way. And like I have one another way also, but I'm not able to like just explain it right now. Okay, like I learn one thing. Okay, and so like I'm doing multiple things, right? So I try to learn one thing and I come to that particular thing or to that particular project after 1 2 weeks. Okay, then there is kind of a one reinforcement learning like our takes place. Okay, like uh, so after 1 week our capacity to holding something will kind of loses, right? So and coming again and storing that just makes that knowledge more strongly on your brain. Like I got this information from kind of a doctor. Okay, like so that doctor while he was preparing for his study for the mbbs, he also used this technique like a kind of way. So I'm not able to explain nicely, but yeah, I'm sorry. My opinion best way to learn is assuming I have interviewed in 4 days and you have to pass that interview. It takes my brain focus and retain most thing I learn. Yeah, yes, bro. Learning software level things is like I like that, and then starting learning it helps me to learn fast. Just nothing. Oh yes, bro, like really. Yeah, like so because I'm not just going on one technology, so I need to be like a super good on that. Like I need to know each and everything. Like I'm not like that. Okay, because in the future I'm going on a quantum computing level, experimenting machine learning ai, and I know that. Okay, so I have like the another aspect of mine also, but right now just I'm understanding how the things work, trying to see the pattern, and the main thing is tasks will be complete. That's the main goal. Okay. Got it. Yes, friend. Amit, bro. So, how is your way? Like, how you learn new technology, new stuff? Like, how is your approach? Everyday Karma is doing code review of script written by our minister. Haha. Everyday Karma. Oh, like there is one YouTube channel, right? Like Everyday Karma is doing code review of script. Oh no, no, like Everyday Karma. I think I have saw like something on the Facebook. Okay, everything. So he also have kind of YouTube channel like this. Everything like there is like Axe Buddy, right? Like DKB bro, like good night bro. Yeah bro, good night and take care, and have a good night bro. Everyday corner and see you soon. Everyday corner. Okay, yeah. Is doing code review of script written by our minister. Uh-huh. Okay, so yeah, like I also heard that so our education minister created one repo, and there was kind of some post going on, but I don't remember. Okay, so Umana Sesta, our minister Sumana Sesta, she wrote code to randomize exam center. Haven't you heard? Yeah, like I have heard, but like I didn't give like that was kind of focus on that. Okay. Oh, okay. That's good, bro. Like because I have like never or like something like this before. Like some of the like the minister are also engaged on this kind of tech GitHub. Yeah, like that is really good, bro. I break it in three level. Surface learning it will be three level, 3 days. Then two level comes with doing a project by following a different source. Yeah, and third level by parallel coding. That is also kind of a like a really good approach, bro. Like really, but like two level come with doing a project by following on different sources, right? And third level by parallel coding. Okay. But yeah, like the main thing is, so we should build project, right? Yeah. Mm, mm. Bro, and what was your like first language, guys? Like first language, what technology did you learn? So if I have to say mine, then I started with Python. No, I started with the Q basic. So there is one language, Q basic. Okay, I learned that on the class 7 and 9, and on that time I didn't even know like what is that language. Okay, like the what is the programming itself. But then on the class 10, when I wanted to learn hacking, then I find out the Python, and Python was my first language. My first language was C and C sharp. Oh, bro. So like the person, like the people who have like first language like C or C plus plus or Java, I think they like really have kind of a strong kind of a skill set. Okay, like they can learn so quickly. Like I think that way, because like I had like learned Python on my own, just knowing that it is a Python, like it is a language used in hacking. Okay, and after that, when I went to the high school and my language was the C. Okay, and the same thing I did for the Python was on the one line on the C. Like there were like so multiple steps, right? Like the like include to the like giving the all those reference. So I like really struggle, okay, to learn just the C also. Amit, C, C sharp, COBOL, Python, Java, yes, bro, that's so awesome. Like COBOL, like I have heard that language, but what is like used for, bro? Like COBOL is used for this programming language used for business, finance, and administrative systems. Okay, is used for mainframe, like mainframe computers. Okay, okay, in the like the government kind of work also, like the man is government pension fund, operate banking system, book airline tickets. Hmm. Like mainly for the business data processing in the mainframe, like the big A industries. Okay. Okay, so the full form of the COBOL is also like the common business oriented language. Cool, that's cool, bro. So yeah, I will be just so this is the guess to It's very old language. There is no inbuilt function like what we have in this modern language like JS or Java. Okay, okay, like there is no any. Okay, for sorting also you have implemented code in Cobol, bro. That's really tough, bro. So you learned like Cobol like why like cause of some project or so in the company that you were working on needed that or like how did you like just like I'm just wondering, okay, like I'm just curious. Why? Okay, so I need. Uh, because of company, my first training in company was Google. Okay. So like you learn like C and C sharp, like idea from your own and on the company. Okay, so cool. Okay, that's cool, bro. Amit seems to have ton of experience in engineering field. Art and you project manager, product manager by now. But I think so we can choose, right, bro? So like from I guess one article, okay, like I think so in the USA like there is like ST1, ST2, ST3. I guess these things are also in the India, but so after certain role, I guess so there we have a decision like if we want to go on a product side like working on a team, leading a team, or we can just focus core on like a being on a principal engineer kind of way, right? Like I think that's I I just thought that way. Okay, I don't want to be product manager or product manager. Want to be in tech only. Oh, okay. After some years, most people gets frustrated by coding, and that is also true. Burnout. Yeah. And bro, like okay, so you guys are also in the tech and working on the web development, right? So like don't you like want to like do your own startup or like with the so you already have the knowledge, right? Like the of the programming and you can build stuff also and like while making a side project or kind of a hobby project like do you also guys like want to make it kind of a full startup and from there you can just if your startup works like really well, right? So you like don't need to work like you can just work on your own startup and I do have plan to be honest. Yeah, so like the in fact the main reason why I even started learning like coding or doing this coding is I wanted to build my own startup and I thought like that is the way of going. Okay, uh, so if I need to build startup then I need a tech co-founder to build the product, right? And why I can't do like that? Okay, so I can just learn and I can just build my own software, right? So with that mindset I came and I learned because at the end I want to build my own quantum computing company and for that I need a lot of money. Okay, and if I build some startup and that really works well then I can just fund my own company I can build like big computers, like quantum computers that worth like the millions or the billions. Okay. Brown University of Boston, Georgia. True. Okay. There is a problem as a startup will not work with one guy need team. Yeah, but okay. So that is also kind of on a one phase, right? Okay. So on the initial phase, you can have your own idea. You can validate it because first of all, you need to validate your idea in the market or on a small setting also, right? And I okay, like I think on that way, okay. And like I have also like have like many examples of building like a solo runner, okay, at the first, and when like he wants to scale it kind of more, then yeah, obviously you will need a team like a dedicated person just for the back end, front end, server. But at the initial, I guess, like, and also we are kind of a working, right? So we only got some times to do, and just going with the team will just have like more energy, cost of money, like I think that way. uh, just sometimes I get bored with coding, then I take break to see news or new take. Now in my case is AI, okay. Bro, and on your comment, like, do you guys like had any kind of laid off or not, like cause of the AI or cause of the over hiring or like whatever there is, like there is the cases, right? So the company says like cause of the overhired. But did you guys had any laid off in your company? I don't understand. Should you see God. Market in US is very bad it seems. Yeah, okay, Michigan. And I think that there is upcoming election in the USA, right? I think election is coming up. After October, it can be good. Hmm. I think so. Okay, if I so if my so I'm trying to go to the USA, right? And if this works, then yeah, like on like before October, I will be in the USA, or I will just not try, and I will only try after my master. I'm just going to try for one time. Let's see how luck goes. What? Amit, since you said it has been 9 plus year in USA, you have green card. Don't you plan on returning saving cause you already have a lot of network in USA. You can work remotely on in dollar and spend in rupee. Yeah, it's been 7 years in USA. My GC process is somewhere in between. Due to bad job market, there is huge delay. It seems. Okay, you are on S1 B or L1 LB. L2. I don't know, bro. What is that L1 L2? Let me search again. Okay. So the non-immigrant visa is issued to people who are already working on the listed or want to work there. Aeronaut visa is for manager executives. Or to have be bro. Hello, bro. How you doing, brother? I mean, it's a good idea, but when I am in India, I can't work for government projects, so I have to go with private one. They will pay me in India standard, not in USA one. Okay, Bomik. Hello, bro. I'm back. Hello, brother. How you doing? And how was your day? And how was your today? It was kind of great, bro. Like so, yeah. Today it was my holiday, right? So I like take rest and I did one course on the Python, like Python for everybody. Yeah, so I completed that course, and I think I have also got the certificate or the financial aid. Okay, and then I had like small talk with my friends. Yeah, like the day was pretty good, but not also like that great or that great. And how is your day going, man? Man, nice you are working on one project. Means you got the top security clearance as you. Yes, in defense. And also, yeah, bro. Where did you course this platform? On the Coursera, there is like Python for everybody. Yeah, like from the Michigan University. So I applied for the financial aid, and that was approved, and I just completed that course. So like there was kind of a five modules, and yeah, like I completed all of those modules also. So yeah, like yesterday I was working on one Figma design and of the art platform, right? So like today I didn't work on that, bro. Like I will be working on that tomorrow. So as today was Saturday, I just worked on the other things. Hmm. When it will be great 70%. Hmm. some FBI and NSS series or maybe programming for F2 after bro. How long how long it takes to get financial aid? It took 2 months earlier to when I was doing data analysis. So like we can apply for like up to 10 course, right? So like I applied and I think within 1 month, I guess, yeah, like within 1 month my all those like 5 6 courses were approved, bro. uh bro uh Worked earlier to FBI, now in Veteran Affairs. Bro, that's so cool. That's awesome, bro. Bro, did you saw that Devin was lying scam? Yeah, yeah, yes, bro. Like, I like watched a couple of the videos like related to that. Man, you are Titan. I said before. He is the yeah. He is the awesome man. What language you use? I use JavaScript mainly. Like as a front end, I use JS mainly, bro. Miraz, start watching combat sports from today for so today at the morning or night, bro. At the night, like I go gym like from 6:30 to 9 at the gym, right? So like I'm actually doing combat there. But yeah, okay. So if I got time, then yeah, bro, sure. Uh, no, still have to keep on learning many things. I don't know. Yeah, bro. AM. Oh, okay. On the morning. So okay, I will try to just watch for some minute. Okay, if I got time. Yeah, but okay, I will make sure to watch it for like some minutes. Okay, uh, which is not bro. Any plans to go further than job? Right? Yeah, yes, bro. But like, so I was also thinking one thought. Okay, like there can be a multiple ways to reach one destiny, right? So I just have my kind of a fixed target where I want to be, but on that way, like I can change my path also. I can just start from the first, but the main destination will not go, we will not change for me. Okay, so like leaving job to something else better. Yeah, yes, bro. Like trying to go USA also for the further studies and going to do master on physics, going to do PhD on physics, and then going to, so I really want to work on a IBM company for some year, okay? Because I really love those like IBM company, okay? Of their how they are working on the quantum computing and um, I just love, okay, like I still use their IBM like quantum computing server and for learning, and I use like Qiskit programming language for the quantum computing programming. And yes, bro, like there are multiple things I want to do, but yeah, like the main thing is I'm going to build my company of quantum computing, and for to reach that path, if I need to work, if I need to do like any stuff, I'm willing to do. Like that's the thing. Like, and still like I don't have the exact like what the thing I will be doing, but I know like where I want to go. Now don't say we're part of equation group. uh my advice is get 6 7 months living money and then work on something else. Yeah, like there is also kind of a good reason, but bro, okay, so I still live with my parents, okay? So in fact, like I don't need to spend my a single rupee on the home, but I say like I will just use my own money, okay? And my daily expenses is also kind of near to zero because I don't have kind of any expenses okay? Like I don't like to buy new like clothes like frequently also, and I'm just kind of happy on my own state, okay? So the money is not the main factor right now for me, but the thing is I want to learn more things for the long term, okay? Like that is the thing. And I think so in the Nepal, like I'm not getting the thing like of the like there is not like so efficient lab for the experiment on the quantum computing, and not course also in the Nepal. So the main priority mine is to just learn. Just in for FA, my work on deal with personal detail fields and maintain full criminal data stuff while applying for benefit. Nice job. Not gonna lie, bro. Quantum computing is hard and takes a lot of time, like years. And yeah, bro, like it it is hard. So like I am interested in quantum computing since past 5 or 6 years. Okay, when I was on the class 6 or 7, I knew about the quantum mechanics. So like how the quantum mechanics is like so super. Okay, like so there is like so many phenomenon like the superposition, entanglement, all those shits, right? And on that time like I did not knew about like all this quantum computer, but I knew like what is the quantum mechanics, okay? And from the past 6 7 years I'm just into it and learning it. And and yeah, bro, like I can sacrifice anything for it, okay? Like that's the mentality I have right now, and I don't care how much time it takes also. uh, so this Do you want to work in a quantum company of quantum computing or start your own? I want to start my own quantum computing. That's the main thing. Okay, like I'm just saying that each and every time. Okay, but at first I would like to work on a company. Like I said, IBM, right? So I want to work on IBM company for the quantum computing. Then I will build my own. And the main thing is why I want to do is from the quantum computing you can simulate the whole universe also, okay? So from there I will try to learn more about the universe, like what are the dark matter, dark energy, and like I really want to explore like graviton, okay? Like the graviton is the theoretical particle that should be there on the quantum state as for the gravity. But even though we use kind of like the hydron like particular accelerator, we are still not able to find that particle, okay? So cause of that, the standard model is not fully complete, and like the theory of everything also. And cause of that reason, I want to build quantum computing so I can simulate whole universe. I can work on the like on the time machine also, like all those spot. Today when I found a tweet about that podcast, and Elon Musk replied that said replied, okay, yesterday I watched a Liz Friedman podcast with George and George says that everyone should learn assembly. You don't have to be a pro on that, but you should know, and I ignored that until today when I found a tweet about that person on a podcast, and Elon replied to that post saying, "Yeah, now I'm confused." uh, okay, bye. Time to go. Have a great night and stay safe. Okay, bro. Take care. Good night and stay safe, bro. So I will be also like ending this live. So yeah, I will be also ending this live, and after 1 hour, I will be sleeping. So yeah, everyone, take care, stay safe. See you tomorrow, and just keep on working and believe the thing you really want to achieve. And yeah, bro, take care, and everyone have a great night and stay safe. Take care. So bye bye, guys. Everyone, take care.